So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to recover suspended Instagram thread account, appeal steps and recover tips. So how to recover suspended Instagram thread account? If your threads account is suspended, it usually means the linked Instagram account was flagged for a policy or security issue. Here's how to try restoring it quickly. Check the suspension reason first. Submit an appeal from Threads or Instagram. Complete identity verification if asked. Avoid spam like activity to improve restore chances. Fix one is check the suspension message carefully. Open Threads or Instagram and read the exact reason shown. Second one is many suspensions are temporarily and many automatically lift after review. Note any deadline mentioned for submitting an appeal. Fix 2 is submit an appeal. Most important step. Go to in app appeal option shown on the suspension screen or open Instagram, then setting, then help, then report a problem. Clearly explain that you want your thread account reviewed and restored. Use polite simple language and avoid submitting multiple appeals quickly. This can slow review. Tips are include your username, email or phone number linked to your account and approximate date the suspension happened. Fix third is verify your account identity or security info. Instagram may ask you to confirm email or phone number. Upload ID verification, complete a selfie video check and reset your password. Finish all steps fully. Incomplete verification often keep the account suspended. Fix fourth is account restore tips. So, remove third party app or automation tools linked to Instagram. Avoid mass following and unfollowing after recovery. Check if you recently posted copyrighted or repeated content. Turn on two-factor authentication for account safety. If appeal is rejected, wait 24 to 48 hours and submit one clear follow-up appeal. You can also try contacting Instagram support through the help center instead the app. If the linked Instagram account is permanently disabled, thread access is usually lost too. Thank you.